Let's go a little bit higher. Just get a little used to this. Okay, let's pause it. Let's pause it. Today's gonna be the first day I'm gonna be flying the Avata 2 in fully manual. I'm going out to the real world, outside the simulator, and seeing if these 52 hours actually worked. I started out with the motion controller because that's what it came with, and I bought the controller. I was a little afraid I'd do it fully manual right off the bat, so I downloaded the simulator. That's what was recommended since the very beginning. So I tried it, put 52 hours, and now we're heading to a park to fully see, to see if it's fully true, if it's possible for a beginner to go through a simulator, put about 50 hours, and fly in manual. This spot alone, I think, would be great, only because I would have somewhere to sit. The next angle you guys are gonna see are from the ZF. This is it. This is gonna be a video about my first manual flight with the Avata 2. Now that I found the spot, there's a guy that's cutting the grass, and it's creating one extra sound on the mics, I think, and it's gonna be distracting. All right, so I came to a different location. Hopefully now the video sounds better, and there's no distractions. I feel a little bit more calmer. I'm in the shade, in the park. I came back to that same spot that I was last time, but now I guess the game is over, so they're not playing over there in the field. And then I figured, even if they do come back, it is far away. I still have this big open field to practice. I don't know why I was complicating it for myself. This was the original spot, so this is where we're staying. So that's not falling anywhere. So let's get this open. Here's the drone. Let's open this up. All right, so like I mentioned, I have the Avata 2. Battery's in, fully charged. Oh, also, I bought off of, I think it was Etsy. There's these 3D printed guards. So if I do crash it, this is supposed to kind of add like suspension and bounce it off. And if it does hit, it won't hurt it as much. So this is kind of protecting it, which is cool. 20 bucks. I think if I find the link, I'll leave it in the link below. Here's the remote, cool beans, and the goggles. So I'm gonna go back up and let's get this situated. All right, so I got the remote. I'm gonna just connect this little pieces here. So there were some things I did already because of the simulator. I saw some YouTube videos where they were telling you to remove the back. You have to unscrew it, you peel it off, and there's 2 screws in there that you have to loosen. Once I find the video, I'm gonna link it down below because I don't remember exactly what it's named or how it's supposed to be done or the science behind it, but I'll leave a link below, and hopefully that can answer some questions as to why we have to do it. Everything is set. I'm just gonna do one more little setting, and then we should be good to go. All right, here we go. We're gonna start recording. Recording on, and this is Andres. This is me. First flight. So we're still in normal mode, which the drone is just gonna fly like a normal drone. And now, like I mentioned, there's 2 things we gotta change right now. Let me just center myself. There I am. Switch to manual mode. Okay, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit. Okay. Okay, pause. Okay, that did not go too well. Definitely different from what I'm used to on the simulator. That could have been bad. Let's bring this back. Okay, not what I expected. Let's try this again. Let's go a little bit higher. Just get a little used to this. Okay, let's pause it. Let's pause it. I heard the cops. Oh no, it wasn't the cops, it was the ambulance. Holy shit. Okay, so I thought this was gonna be easier than I thought. It's not that easy. We're gonna try it again. Sport, manual. We're switching into manual right now. Okay. Oh, so it doesn't really feel as responsive like some of the simulator drones that I've flown. Okay, definitely makes a lot of noise. Holy shit. Oh, I know why. So let's bring this down. So I forgot that with these drones, you have to adjust the angle, and depending on the angle, it depends on the speed. So we're gonna go to let's go to a 28 degree. We're gonna switch it again. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can adjust the angle here. Okay, so we're doing it, we're flying. You know, it's just scary. Okay. I think it was just that, adjusting the angle of our camera. It seems like we're doing something. I mean, I'm not a pro yet, but last time when we were figuring out how to fly a drone, what I was doing is I was basically doing figure eights, and these figure eights kind of helped me a little bit. So what I'm doing here is I'm doing these figure eights to kind of get a little bit adjusted to the drone itself. I mean, here I'm doing some circles, all right. Adjust. This is why we've been practicing. We've been practicing so we can come to this point. We're doing pretty good, I think. All right, so let me pause it real quick. Okay, so this is pretty good. Good thing the practice has paid out. I feel accomplished already because it's in the real world versus the simulator. I'm gonna practice a little bit more. I'm gonna angle it at about, let's try it here. We're gonna go to manual. Okay, we're gonna angle this higher. Oh shit, maybe not 60 degrees. Oh shit. Opa. That wasn't good. Okay, that almost wasn't good. That almost wasn't good, so I think that's too much degree. Let's try this again. We're gonna go to manual. Okay. Bring it back to maybe 14 degrees. No. I think 30 degrees is a sweet spot for me. It seems to be a little bit more natural to what I'm used to in the simulator. Okay. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna go through the circle. I'm gonna go around. Okay, we need to go a little bit slower. Oh shit, I hit a branch. Cool. Squeeze in here, perfect. So definitely different than the simulator. Because if I fall, it will break. If I hurt somebody, It is real. Okay. That was clean, that was clean. Oh shit, there's people there. Let me not go over there. Okay. Bring this down. Oopa, oopa, oopa. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. Now, I wonder if I go to 25% or 25-degree angle. Okay, the drone is a little bit slower. Okay, that was clean. See how low can we go? There I am. So backflip. Oh, that was cool. Let's try another one. Let's try another one. Woo! That was close. 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 All right, we're done with the backflips. We got a good backflip. Let's go back to just regular practicing here. Okay, nice and smooth. Nice and smooth through the tree. Nice. Up and about. Okay, so now we're gonna add some dynamic. We're gonna be a little dynamic here. Okay, we're gonna go down. Oh, is somebody crossing? Nope. Down. So we're gonna go through them. Through the trees, perfect. We're gonna go up. Okay, we're gonna go again through them. Ooh, beautiful. Okay. Okay, let's go down. Let's see, let's add a little bit, something a little bit harder. Just going through here, just going through here, just going through here. Let's go up. We're gonna go down, we're gonna squeeze in through here. Can we do that? Oh, yes we can. Oh, that was good. Can we squeeze in through here? Oh. Okay, so something I'm noticing, it's not as quick and agile as some of the drones I've used in the simulator. It feels more floaty. Now I know what that means in the simulator when people say that it's a floaty drone. This is it. This is what that is. This. Okay, low battery. It says returning to home. Let's bring it back. Let's bring it back. Let's pause. Let's get the drone. Oh, what happened? Can we move? Okay, there we go. All right, and there I am. Let's bring this down, nice and safe. Oh, okay, that was cool. That was good. I'm gonna switch the battery, do one more lap, and I think I'm gonna call it a day. New battery. So, drone's up and running. We're gonna try this again. Oh, it says multiple geo zone nearby, flight restriction in effect. Okay, we're gonna power the motors. We're gonna go up. We're gonna go forward. Okay, we're at 20% again. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Smooth, 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 smooth. Perfect, squeeze it in. So on the goggles, it seems very jittery, almost like it's gimbalized. Well, of course it's gimbalized. Oh, and down I go. Okay, so yep, I crashed. That's okay. Let's go find it because we need that drone. I I forgot where I crashed it. I crashed it over there. All right, let's go get it. So, there it is. It's not that bad. It's just mostly dirty. It's kind of covered in grass. Now the ND filter, forget about it. It's all right, it's not a big deal. ND filter is not really that big of a deal. It's a little bit dirty. It's not a big deal. What I'm noticing is that the gimbal is fine, which is the important part. It's just grass. Luckily we had these protected it, most likely from breaking. Definitely paid out. Practicing 50 hours, I definitely have to put more hours for sure. But for my first time flying in manual, I was expecting to crash, so that's fine. Definitely recommend if you get a drone, get the protection plan, because if you're trying to learn, you're definitely gonna crash, and if you crash, you wanna be protected. So, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. This was a learning process for sure. This is definitely part one. Definitely another video as my progression. Probably more Instagram videos of the simulator. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.